All I need you to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So you think I have time for funny videos? I don't have time for nonsense YouTube videos. I just need one more.
I don't get 199. I beg. I just need one more.
See, I can't sign up for you.
Just one click, Baba!
Are you the one saying one click? Who's on my brother? I need you to just do me a small favor. All I need you to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see my latest updates. I mean, my latest videos. I'm on fire like this now.
Brother, so you think I have time for funny videos? I'm a real estate mogul. I don't have time for nonsense YouTube videos.
God have mercy upon us.
I have enough deals to sign. I have enough appointments to meet. So you think watching your YouTube videos is what I will do in my life? Come on, bro. I'm a busy person. Sorry.
I'm sorry. I never meant to bother you. Sorry about that. My bad. I accept. My bad.
No problem. Okay, bro. I'll get back to you before the end of the day. Yeah, I'll get back to you.
Uzo, what's up? What is it about your real estate company?
My brother, I have a company taking us to Dubai, all expense paid trip.
Dubai? What's the catch?
My bro, all I just need is just 200 sign-ups. 200 sign-ups. And the target is today. I have to meet the 200 target today.
200. Dubai. 200 is that's a lot of number now.
Bro, don't worry. I'm business closer. Don't worry, I'll get this. I'll handle it. Thank you.
Business closer, indeed. I wish you success. Hello. Yes, I'll get back to you on that now. I remember. Yes, I will effect it. All right, thank you. I'll get back to you.
Bro.
Uzo, what's the matter? Why are you worked up?
Bro, you know I told you earlier today about the Dubai parole now.
What about it?
I've been able to get 199 sign-ups. I just need one more.
One more? What's the big deal about one more?
Baba, na Dubai. Na Dubai. This is one life opportunity now.
See, I can't sign up for you. Sorry about that.
Just one click, Baba.
Are you the one saying one click? Remember the last time I asked you to just sign up to subscribe to my channel. You refused. One subscriber I told you about, but you refused. Now you want me to sign up for you? Come on, life is not fair. Oh boy, Faxyman,
Skid now. But it's not banker now.
Oh boy,
but I go ask you that kind of thing. Faxymania like me.
Just check my YouTube channel.
Why you go to type that kind of thing now? You don't see my last comment. Check now. Let's see be this one. You don't see for
I know say they follow me. I know say subscribe. I just want me cool. So hear what make hear what small.
Who's on now? Who's on no get updates now? Who's on get updates? Anyway, Faxyman, you know what make I define you?
What's it make you define me?
Boy, you get this trip when my company they sponsor to Dubai. Yes, you need 200 sign-ups. I don't get 199. I beg. I just need one more. I want make you sign up for me.
Man, you need to try. You just can't let me why you gonna beg me?
No, you.
I'll tell you what to do.
I'll tell you.
How to do that to sign for you now. Why? Just why you talk like this? That everything.
I beg you do well. You too much.
It's done.
Oh, what's happening here now?
Like what now? What's the problem?
Faxyman, I came to you first now.
And then, when I asked you to sign up, did you sign up for me? You subscribe to me. See, let me tell you. First to do, you know they pay. Second to do, the eyes go red. Third to do, they go crawl. Kakaboos in the zoo. Odola, let's go. Let's go, Jare.
Faxyman still not go. Hear what?